You're welcome. Today you are going to learn how you can use your smartphone to create the trending images that you see all over the internet. The world of AI is taking over, and 2024 is going to be overwhelming as people are putting in works to improve on what already existed, and the new ones are coming out. And my prayer for you is we will all live to see this flip in the AI technology. I want to show you how you can generate it if you are a YouTuber who does not want to show your face on the camera, just as I'm doing, and you want to use images to represent what you are saying. This will really help you. This video is for you because I will show you how you can generate these images and how you can use it to tell your story. And you can also make money from it. You can use it on your YouTube channel. You can also even create it. There are websites that you can sell AI images. So this is a wonderful opportunity that all you need is your smartphone. You can achieve it. So without wasting our time, let us dive right into it. To get started, I've made a video about how you can download Bing app into your phone and log in. If you have not watched that video, please click on the link above or below to watch it. So let's proceed from there by clicking on the app. Let's assume you have the app installed. So you click on it and you allow it to open. Alright, so we now select image generator. Okay, I've used some of the credits, so I have 13 coins. Now type you have seen the prompt I have written: hyper-realistic HD 4K image of a small boy running away with a loaf of bread in his hands and his mother running after him. So let us see what this prompt will give us. So I click on create. Okay, you have seen this. Okay, so this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. So you can see, so I'll download this. I did not specify if it was a white boy or a black boy. Do you understand? So that is why it gives me this. But you can specify. Okay, so let's be specific. So I'll now come to it. So okay, an African boy, image of an African small boy, okay, with a surprise eyes. Okay, all right, African small African boy. Okay, let me remove this small. African boy. Okay, hyper realistic HD 4K image of an African boy with a surprised eyes running away with a loaf of bread in his hand and his mother running after him. I click on create. Okay, our image is ready. Within seconds, you can see the boy
is running away. So you can use this to tell a story. Okay, so you have seen running away. So let me download it. Okay, I love all. All right, so I can change it, come to the same prompt. I change it from a boy to a girl, African girl, or I will say baby. I want it to be in a community setting, so okay, so you have seen the change in the prompt. So you can use this prompt as it is. I can click on it right now. We have gotten it. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. So amazing. So amazing. So amazing. So you can use this to create a story, make a video out of it, and post on your social media, and you see the kind of impact you'll be creating. Okay, so I love all of this. So let me download. Imagine the Pampers. Download. So powerful to hold a whole chicken with one hand. All these AI babies are super. So here you allowed your imagination to run wild. So this is my own imagination. You can create just anything. Okay, let me try. Finally, let me try something else. Let's say I want to change this. I will now say and put another prompt. I'm starting all over again. I want to issue another command. So I say you can see this command. I click message, and before you know it, our images is ready. Okay, you can see still okay. Okay, this one gave me 2 boys. So all right, you can see. So with this, you can use and create anything you want. So I'll download this. All right, so that's it for now. In our next video, we will use this to create a storyline. Okay, so we'll be using these images to create a story and post it on our channel. I want you to watch out for the video, how you can use this to generate amazing story that you can post on your channel.
You have seen how it is done, and all these are achievable with your smartphone and access to internet. That is all you need. Then the crazy idea of yours come to play with how you write your prompt. Whatever imagination you have, you bring it into work, and that will give you a final result as AI is willing to bend to your direction of instruction. The advancement and the improvement in the AI technology is so accurate that it tries as much as possible to give you the results you are looking for. So if you have watched to this point, it means that you enjoy this content and you have learned something. All you can do to support me is to click on that subscribe button, like and share this video, and drop a comment. Very important. I want to know what you think about this video. I want to know where you want me to work on, where you want me to improve the method I should use. Thank you very much for watching. See you on another video as I will bring you another amazing topic. So please stay on this channel because a lot of things are cooking in the kitchen, and very soon I will serve you up to your satisfaction. Thank you very much.